Welcome back. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of tree communication. While trees might appear silent and stationary, they are part of a hidden network through which they share resources, warnings, and signals. Let's dive into 17 surprising facts that explain how trees communicate with one another. 1. Did you know that trees communicate through a complex underground network known as the Wood Wide Web? This network is made up of mycorrhizal fungi that connect the roots of different trees, allowing them to share information and nutrients. 2. Did you know that trees can send distress signals through their roots when they are under attack by insects or facing drought? Neighboring trees pick up on these signals and often respond by producing chemicals that boost their defenses. 3. Did you know that certain trees, like acacias, release airborne chemical signals when they are being eaten by herbivores? These chemicals warn nearby trees to produce toxins or bitter compounds in their leaves to deter the animals. 4. Did you know that mycorrhizal fungi form a symbiotic relationship with trees? The fungi receive sugars from the tree's photosynthesis in exchange for essential nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, which they gather from the soil. 5. Did you know that mother trees, or the largest, oldest trees in a forest, often act as hubs in the underground communication network? These trees share resources like water and nutrients with younger, weaker trees to help them survive. 6. Did you know that trees can recognize their own kin? Studies show that trees are more likely to share resources and communicate with genetically related saplings, giving them a better chance of survival. 7. Did you know that trees use the wood wide web to warn each other of pest invasions? When one tree is infested with aphids, for example, it can alert others nearby, which then produce chemicals that make their leaves less palatable to the pests. 8. Did you know that trees under attack by herbivores can release volatile organic compounds, VOCs, into the air, which attract predators or parasites of the attacking insects, providing biological pest control? 9. Did you know that some trees talk to one another by sending electrical signals through their root systems? These signals move slowly compared to human nerve impulses, but are effective in conveying information over time. 10. Did you know that trees help each other out during times of stress? In drought conditions, trees connected by mycorrhizal networks can share water, helping the entire community survive during dry spells. 11. Did you know that fungi act as information highways for trees? These fungi extend their hyphae, tiny thread-like structures, into multiple trees, facilitating the exchange of nutrients and chemical signals across vast distances. 12. Did you know that some researchers refer to the tree communication system as a superorganism? The idea is that forests function like a single organism, where each tree is a vital part of the whole, connected by the underground fungal network. 13. Did you know that trees use allelopathy, a form of chemical warfare, to inhibit the growth of competing plants? Certain species, like black walnut trees, release chemicals through their roots that prevent nearby plants from growing too close. 14. Did you know that trees can also communicate by altering the pH of the soil around them? Changes in soil acidity or alkalinity can send messages to neighboring trees about environmental changes, like nutrient availability or pollution levels. 15. Did you know that trees can store information? Some studies suggest that trees can remember past droughts or stress events and adjust their behavior in future seasons by conserving water or growing more slowly. 16. Did you know that tree communication through fungal networks is not instantaneous? Messages can take hours, days, or even weeks to travel through the network, allowing trees to react gradually to environmental changes. 17. Did you know that certain trees produce a form of alarm call when their roots are damaged? These trees release specific chemicals into the soil, warning nearby plants of the damage, which often leads to increased root growth in neighboring trees. We hope these 17 facts about tree communication opened your eyes to the secret life of forests. Trees are much more than passive plants. They are part of an intelligent, cooperative network that helps ensure the survival of the entire ecosystem. If you enjoyed these insights into the natural world, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more fascinating facts. Let us know in the comments which fact surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.